Question 19 is 2 marks. It's transformation of functions. I'll solve this question and then I'll add similar scenarios to make you ready, because most of students don't understand this. So let's start by answering the question. The question says the equation of a curve is y equals f of x. There is only one minimum point on the curve. The coordinates of this minimum point are 8 and -12. Write down the coordinates of the minimum point with this equation y equals f of x plus 3. Now, to do that, let me just zoom in. To do this, if it's plus outside the x, you add 3 to the y. So it's 8, we don't change the x, and we add 3 to the y. So -12 plus 3 is -9. So our new point is just 8 and -9. And that's the answer of this question. Now, f of 2x, the 2 is multiplied inside the function. In such case, we divide x by 2. So our main point was 8 and -12, right? The point that they gave us in the question is 8 and -12. So when it's f of 2x, you just divide the x by 2. So your answer is 4 and -12. And that's it for this question. Now let's have some scenarios. What happens if this is -3? If it's -3, we do -3 here. So it's going to be 8 and -12. -3 is -15. Now, what if it was f of x plus 3? If the 3 was inside, not outside like that, if the 3 is inside, you take away 3 from x. So instead of 8, it's going to be 8 minus 3. So your answer will be 5 and -12. Okay. Now here, what if the 2 was outside? What if the question says y equals 2 f of x? If the 2 is inside like this, we divide the x by 2. If the 2 is outside, you multiply the y by 2. So instead of 8 and -12, we don't change the x, we just leave it, and we multiply the y by 2. -12 times 2 is -24. Alright, so there is a whole video explaining everything on this. If you didn't understand what I'm doing here, you'll just find it in the description. Have a look at that. Alright, that's all for this question. Let's go to the next question.